Bali, a name that instantly conjures up images of a tropical paradise, a place where dreams come true and worries melt away. Just the name evokes images of paradise. Lush rice paddies that stretch as far as the eye can see, stunning beaches with crystal-clear waters, ancient temples that whisper tales of history, and a vibrant culture that dances to its own rhythm. Bali is a place where nature and tradition blend seamlessly, creating a unique tapestry of experiences. It's a place that captures the heart and soul. The scenic landscapes are breathtaking, from the terraced rice fields to the majestic volcanoes. The locals, with their warm smiles and welcoming nature, make you feel at home instantly. And the sunsets? They are nothing short of magical, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. Many people think you need a fortune to experience it. The bustling streets, the vibrant markets, and the luxurious resorts might give the impression that Bali is only for the wealthy. But that's far from the truth. But here's a secret: Bali can be surprisingly affordable. You can find cozy accommodations that won't break the bank, indulge in delicious street food that costs just a few dollars, and participate in budget-friendly activities that are just as enjoyable as their pricier counterparts. You don't have to sacrifice comfort or amazing experiences to stay within your budget. There are comfortable hotel rooms that offer all the amenities you need, relaxing Balinese spas that rejuvenate your body and soul, and budget tours that let you explore the island's beauty without spending a fortune. Let me show you how. From hidden gems to well-known attractions, I'll guide you through the best ways to experience Bali on a budget. Whether you're an adventurer, a culture enthusiast, or someone looking to relax, there's something for everyone. Come with me as we uncover the secrets to an unforgettable Bali adventure without breaking the bank. Together, we'll explore the island's natural wonders, immerse ourselves in its rich culture, and enjoy its culinary delights, all while keeping our expenses in check. So pack your bags and get ready for an incredible journey through Bali, where paradise is found on a budget. Timing is everything, especially when traveling on a budget. The key to unlocking affordable Bali is knowing when to go. Shoulder season, my friends. From April to June or September to October, you'll enjoy pleasant weather and fewer crowds. This means cheaper flights and accommodation. Plus, you can snag amazing deals online. Look for flights during the week or red-eye options. And remember, flexibility is key. Worried about breaking the bank on accommodation? Fear not. Bali has a plethora of budget-friendly options. Hostels are fantastic for solo travelers or groups. They offer a fun, social atmosphere and the chance to connect with other adventurers. Prefer your own space? Guest houses and homestays are incredible ways to experience local life. They offer comfortable rooms and that personal touch. And guess what? Many come with delicious breakfast included. One of the best things about Bali? Countless incredible experiences won't cost you a dime. Start your day with a breathtaking sunrise hike up Mount Batur. The panoramic views will leave you speechless. Spend your afternoons exploring the island's spiritual heartland in Ubud. Wander through the sacred monkey forest. Just watch out for mischievous macaques, and don't miss the iconic Tagalalang rice terraces. A culinary adventure awaits you. Balinese food is a delicious fusion of flavors, and the best part? You can eat like a king without spending a fortune. Skip the fancy restaurants and head to local warungs. These small, family-run eateries offer authentic dishes at incredibly affordable prices. Try nasi campur, a platter of rice with various sides, or, savor the flavors of mie goreng, a spicy fried noodle dish. The soul of Bali, immersing yourself in rich culture and traditions. Bali is not just a destination, it's an experience that touches the very core of your being. From the moment you step foot on this enchanting island, you are greeted with a sense of warmth and spirituality that is palpable. The Balinese people are deeply connected to their traditions, and this connection is evident in every aspect of their daily lives. Bali is a feast for the senses, where spirituality and tradition are deeply woven into everyday life. As you wander through the bustling street markets, you'll find an array of vibrant colors, tantalizing aromas, and the sounds of traditional gamelan music filling the air. Each village has its own unique charm, with intricately designed temples and shrines that serve as the heart of the community. Daily rituals and offerings are a common sight, showcasing the island's deep-rooted spiritual practices. Experience the magic firsthand at one of the island's many temples. These sacred spaces are not just places of worship but also architectural marvels that tell the story of Bali's rich cultural heritage. The temples are adorned with intricate carvings and statues, each with its own significance and history. Participating in a temple ceremony is a profound experience where you can witness the devotion and reverence of the Balinese people. The Uluwatu Temple, perched on a dramatic clifftop, is a must-see. This iconic temple offers breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean, especially during sunset when the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink. The temple is also home to a troop of monkeys, adding a touch of playfulness to the serene surroundings. Watching the traditional kikak dance performance against the backdrop of the setting sun is an unforgettable experience. Immerse yourself in Balinese culture at a traditional dance performance. These performances are a mesmerizing blend of storytelling, music, and dance, each telling a tale from Balinese mythology. The dancers, with their expressive gestures and elaborate costumes, bring these stories to life, captivating audiences of all ages. Whether it's the Barong dance depicting the eternal battle between good and evil, or the Legong dance known for its intricate movements, each performance is a testament to Bali's artistic heritage. The intricate costumes, graceful movements, and captivating music will transport you to another world. The attention to detail in the costumes, with their vibrant colors and ornate designs, is truly remarkable. The dancers move with a fluidity and grace that is both enchanting and awe-inspiring. Accompanied by the rhythmic sounds of traditional Balinese instruments, the entire performance is a sensory delight that leaves a lasting impression. Bali's rich culture and traditions are a treasure trove waiting to be explored, offering a glimpse into a way of life that is both timeless and unique. Insider secrets: unlocking more savings like a local. Want to unlock even more savings? Live like a local. Ditch the taxis and embrace the island's public transportation. BMO's local minibuses are a cheap and cheerful way to get around. For longer distances, try ride-sharing apps or rent a scooter for ultimate freedom. When shopping, embrace the art of bargaining, especially at local markets. It's all part of the fun. The spirit of Bali: embrace the magic. Bali is a land where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly, creating a unique tapestry of experiences. From the moment you step foot on this enchanting island, you are greeted by the vibrant colors, the rhythmic sounds, and the warm smiles of its people. The island's rich cultural heritage is evident in every corner, from the intricate offerings placed on stone statues to the mesmerizing traditional dance performances that tell stories of gods and legends. Bali is more than just a destination, it's a feeling. It's the gentle caress of the ocean breeze as you walk along the coastline, the soft rustle of the palm trees swaying in harmony with the wind, and the breathtaking views of the lush rice terraces that stretch as far as the eye can see. Every moment in Bali is a sensory delight, a chance to reconnect with the beauty of nature and the simplicity of life. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin, the golden hues of the sunset casting a magical glow over the landscape, and the gentle sound of waves lapping against the shore. As you bask in the sunlight, you feel a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. The golden hour in Bali is a time to reflect, to appreciate the beauty around you, and to feel truly alive. The scent of incense in the air, mingling with the fragrant blooms of tropical flowers, creates an atmosphere of serenity and spirituality. In the temples, the smoke wafts through the air, carrying prayers and hopes to the heavens. It's a reminder of the deep spiritual connection that the Balinese people have with their land and their gods. Every breath you take is filled with the essence of Bali, a place where the sacred and the everyday coexist in perfect harmony, and the genuine smiles of the locals. It's about slowing down, connecting with nature, and embracing the simple things. The Balinese people are known for their warmth and hospitality, always ready to share a smile or a kind word. Whether you're exploring a bustling market, where vendors greet you with friendly faces, or simply walking through a village, you are welcomed with open arms. It's these small moments of connection that make your experience in Bali truly special. Embracing the simple things. Soak it all in. Take a moment to meditate in the serene natural surroundings, trek through the verdant rice fields, or join a morning yoga session to start your day with a sense of calm and balance. Bali offers countless opportunities to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. It's a place where you can slow down, breathe deeply, and find joy in the present moment. Let the spirit of Bali wash over you. Feel the refreshing spray of a waterfall as you stand in awe of its natural beauty, Indulge in a relaxing spa treatment that rejuvenates your body and soul, or simply sit back and watch the sun set over the horizon, painting the sky with a palette of vibrant colors. Each experience in Bali is a chance to immerse yourself in the island's magic and let it transform you. You'll leave with a heart full of memories. Capture the moments that take your breath away, share a meal with friends at a local restaurant, and take the time to journal your experiences so you can relive them long after you've left. Bali has a way of leaving an indelible mark on your heart, filling it with memories that you'll cherish forever, and a longing to return. As you wave goodbye to this enchanting island, you'll carry with you the spirit of Bali, a longing to return and experience its magic once more. Until then, the memories of your time here will keep the island's spirit alive in your heart. Conclusion. Your Bali adventure awaits. So there you have it, paradise found. Bali on a budget is not a dream, it's a reality waiting for you. With a little planning and these insider tips, you can create an unforgettable adventure without breaking the bank. Pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of Bali. Your dream trip awaits.